My name's Kyle Stumpenhorst, and I'm the owner of RR Buildings, and we build custom post frames. For me as a pro, I'm always busy.
Go 89.5.
Well, I think I do a good job of over-delivering. So when people ask for something, I give them more. The Home Depot Pro can help. I might need lumber to start building, windows on another job site, or I'm finishing up a large-scale project somewhere else, all on the same day. Who knew the Home Depot could help with that? It's great. I can shop the whole job, get preferred pricing, and delivery I trust. It just makes everything smoother. Personally, I don't skip steps. I not only want a happy customer, but I want to do a job that I'm proud of. From getting a quote together, I can even help you get skilled staff. When you have a partner like the Home Depot, you know you're going to get the job done. And then you can focus on what really matters. Man, I'm living the dream. As a pro, I now have a partner in the Home Depot.